To improve your cash flow and cut excess stock, you need to set your stock limits. First, click on Modeling. Select a product group or warehouse. Here you can see I have the same product in 3 different warehouses: Auckland, Sydney and Christchurch. The Auckland warehouse is just under my minimum stock limit. My Christchurch warehouse is looking okay, but I've got too much stock in my Sydney warehouse, telling me that I have cash tied up in stock. When you set your stock limits for the first time, you can do it like this. Select the product, select the strategy. Just-in-time strategy takes lead days into account, and then select your preferred minimum and maximum buffers, or stock limits. For example, if I change this to 30 and click Calculate, you can see that my Sydney warehouse stock level goes green, because my stock on hand is between my limits. Once you're happy, scroll down and click on Submit. Set a review time for when you'd like to come back to this product and click Submit. This will update Unleashed, and you are well on your way to a healthy cash flow, freeing you up to do more with your money.